I like to divide up my lessons and have this opening slide for my students. You don't have to. But if I want to take something in this format and put it into mine, I'm just going to highlight everything I want to copy over, right click and copy it, and go back over to my student slides. Remember, I don't want to add it in this white view. This would make it manipulatable to the kids. I know I'm saying that wrong. Instead, push View, Theme Builder. You're going to get the dark version. So on this next blank one, I'm going to push right-click, paste, and it comes in. Beautiful. But notice it's not here. Not like the first slide. That first slide was already in my deck. It's right here. So how do I get it to show for the kids? Because I built it in Theme Builder, how do I move things over to be visible to the kids? Now, remember, please click the X, otherwise your slides go all out of whack. It took us like a month to learn that. So here's where the plus comes in. You push your drop down arrow and look, here's where all of those slides that you'll be collecting and making are. It doesn't matter what order they're in, you can put them in any order. So I like that one. I'm going to put it in. I actually want that first so the kids see this first. The kids do that next. And notice again, because I made it in Theme Builder, you can't do anything to it. Okay? So I go back and we go through. Okay, the video, I'm going to show them that doesn't need to be there. And then they're going to talk. Do I want them to summarize this? What are your thoughts initially about this person? Do we have any questions? Do I want them to give them a space to think out what they were thinking beforehand and then share their thoughts, like a write and think? Or do I want a brain dump kind of page to give them that? So you can think through these things, because right now it says it's just a discussion. So I do like the idea of a kid keeping notes based on their discussion. So I'm going to copy this and we're going to change it up. So here we have, again, go into View Theme Builder. It's a bunch of jumping in and out. And I'm going to paste that in. But remember, I have my format and the format I need to follow. I'm going to delete this stuff. That's puffy stuff that I don't need. And I want my red top because that red top stays on all my activity slides. I'm going to take the pictures and move them down slightly so they'll still be on the slide. I don't mind this being up here as a discussion. Okay, I want you to see that what just happened. Because this was put on before the other things, notice it goes behind it and you're like, oh, it's supposed to be on front. If you right click and push order, it'll bring it to the front. Now that'll be in front of other things instead of behind where it was before. So it'll remind me I wanted to discuss this. The kids are disgusting. They're discussing, not disgusting. And I'm probably going to put a blue pencil. I have to put a blue pencil there to remind them that they have to write. So we want to reduce this. We like to use font 18. And to be honest, I don't like the blue in there. That's just a personal preference. I'm going to extend it. And I need to leave a place for the kids to write. But remember, they can't write. This is a regular text box, and they can't write here. So these leave the space to write. And again, come to the text box, and you can click text title placement and put it here. I'll tell you when I've made one, I usually just like to copy it so it's a little easier. Paste it. Obviously, it's way too big. And whoops. I move it in and I drop the size. Again, I copy it and I can paste it down here. I just held the control key and it makes a duplicate. So again, close it. I'm going to add it in. Here's the new one. And again, they can't manipulate, but they can add.